Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're stopping by for the first time, hello. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a Bantu knot hairstyle on my natural hair. I make two horizontal parts from ear to ear to give me three main sections. So if you've been watching my videos, then you know this because I say it every time. Make sure your parts are neat and clean because this is what's going to make your hairstyle look really cute. Okay, so we've got the first main section out of the way. Now to create the second part. So for those of you who always wonder how I'm able to part the back of my hair, I'm not a magician and I don't use magic. I use a mirror. I place a mirror to see the back of my hair. So there you have the three main sections. Now this front section is going to have 5 smaller sections. And I'm not making straight parts. My parts are slanted just to add some funkiness to the hairstyle. I try to make sure the parts on both sides are about equal distance from the middle, just to make it look symmetrical. Also, I check that the amount of hair on both sides is about the same. Then I twist the sides to put them away. And for the remaining section, I'm going to make 2 parts, triangular parts by the sides. These 2 triangles are smaller compared to the middle one. And for the middle section, I created 4 smaller sections. And for this last section, I'm dividing it into 2. My brother just came in. Hold on. I'm now going to put each section into a ponytail with a rubber band, and also I'm using shine and jam to lay my hair down. I apply the shine and jam round the edges of that section. And then I comb my hair to lay the edges down. Using a rubber band, I make a ponytail on that section. So you can add some oils to your rubber bands to prevent the rubber band from breaking your hair when you're taking it down. But I didn't do that because my hair is already properly moisturized. I think I moisturized my hair about 2 days ago. I'm now going to divide the section into 2 and twist my hair all the way till I get to the end. So basically, I'm just repeating the whole process on each of the sections. I'm applying shine and jam onto the section, combing it thoroughly around the edges, and then using a rubber band to make a ponytail. I'm finally twisting my hair all the way to the end. So if you notice that your rubber bands break off when you try to make your ponytail, you might be using the thin rubber bands. I've discovered there are some thicker rubber bands, and since I've been using them, I haven't been experiencing any breakage of my rubber bands. So now I'm on the last one and I was really enjoying the whole process. The thing is, once you get your parts done, every other thing seems to be so easy and simple. So if you're enjoying the video thus far, go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know you're enjoying the video. Let YouTube know and let other viewers know that this is something they need to watch. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Guys, my parts are so neat, like I have goosebumps right now watching this. Comment down what you think about the parts. So I'll be using one pack of the Darling 5x pre-stretched extension in color 1. This pack has 5 bundles. One bundle was enough for 4 sections, so I used about 3 bundles in total. With this piece of extension I've cut out, I attach it to the section and then I start braiding. I braid a few times, about 5 or 6 times, and then I start twisting the extension round to cover my hair. Then I roll it round to form a knot. As I'm forming the knot, I continue twisting the extension to cover my hair. And I roll the extension round till I get to the end. So if you try your first Bantu knot and you don't like the way the shape looks, it's okay, it will get better after you try a couple of times. For me, Bantu knots is a hairstyle that screams quietly. I'm black. And I'm not just black, but I'm black and proud. So if you have some other names that you call Bantu knots from wherever you come from, let me know in the comment section. I would love to know the other names. Guys, it's a few days to Christmas. This is a season to be happy. Try to show people around you love. Forgive those that have hurt and wronged you, and be happy with yourself. So Merry Christmas in advance to you all. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate you all. I love you all so much, and I'm wishing you the very best this season. So I'm just going to stop talking now and allow you to watch the rest of the video. So guys, I'm on the last one. I'm just going to show you the whole process again. I place the piece of extension onto the section and then I start braiding. I braid a few times, about 5 or 6 times, and then I twist the extension round my hair to cover the section. And then I start forming a knot, rolling the extension round. So as you roll the extension round, remember to continue twisting the extension. And when you get to the end, tuck the end under. I'm using my Eco Styler gel to lay my edges down. This is totally optional. If you don't want to, then you don't need to. So I take a little amount of my gel and I apply it onto my edges. Also, for a stronger hold, I'm using my Guts to Be Ultra Glue gel, and I'm placing that on top of the Eco Styler gel. Then I brush my edges with my toothbrush, and I push my edges in with a rat tail comb. Then I tie my edges down for about 10 minutes. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle in the comment section down below. And also, if you'll be trying it out, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Bye. See you in my next one.